ringworm still in your data crutches like a panty shield. When I said to everybody, Rosalee can't act. Rosalee cannot act. What you call act? Google your friend. Google your friend and come up with a result. So when you say Rosalee act to you who not gift her, who are watch her in a poverty. So that's the only way Rosalee can act. What you mean? Come now. What you mean? She not have no narrative, but Shebada, remember take care of your best friend. Me that introduce him to the net, me wouldn't make you. Remember your son call for ticket for class, me. And the table turned 360. Never take long. Rosalee, when me tell you say I'm covered, I mean I'm covered. Not under a bushel, I'm covered by God. Where you say Rosalee? Rosalee, you not at. You don't realize that tear people are tear up on the internet, you don't act. You're acting a negativity. Remember the boy I don't believe Rosalee's story. So make Rosalee tell you how she mature us out. Remember cocky mature Rosalee, a cocky mature Rosalee. So we are talking about Rosalee and how Rosalee for attach a rape unit. Explain your friend to me. She's way more relevant than me, so when you are doing, you know, over she. Answer the question, don't make a lot of blunder. If Rosalee relevant more than me, what are you doing here? Because me not go upon people like who me think and believe the word where Rosalee cannot call insignificant. Eh? Go help your friend. That me want know. That me want know, my baby. Your friend hungry, naked and a beg like that. We could talk about that now. Oh, your friend acting a begging. Eh? Your friend and Miguel rub out and she not do weed. So we are talking about your friend popular. Popular to who? Remember you're not support, that's why you can say as popular. Because you're not support. Anyhow she did a drain you. You'd find her disgusting. Come on, talk. But they pan live, so nobody make no noise. Cause you always miss it. Yeah, come back. And then some of the things that I talk about and every day you prove me right. And when they make Rosalee ball. I make your at friend ball. What she don't block the bitch already? You wanna block them? I will have all a conversation, you know. Minus the begging you do of a Rosalee. Minus the begging you do of a Rosalee. When you come for defend, come with credible information, man. Come with credible story. Your friend naked and hungry, broke and depressed, stressed, and have nowhere to live. I bed little so like he can't hold in a hand miggle. What you say? Your friend say everybody not have nothing stamp gear notice. Eh? Stamp gear notice. So how your friend for that? Who know your friend? Your friend for doing somebody for sponsor your friend and make sure advertise chemical. And that commercial, them want to share the raw bleach and acid. And them commercial, them want to see a friend do. Pleasant evening, expert Shibi. Eh? Yeah. Bed look like you're holding a hand, Miguel. I'm not ask you. Your friend uncomfortable, your friend awake with aches and pain like Sharon in her sleep when her bed little. Your friend have to sleep on one side till her fat clad, when her blood alone have a clad. I'm me supposed to send her in a depression. That's my intention. That's my aim. They don't want to think. Me never tell a lie when I come on the net. I never tell a lie when I come on the net. I never come to be loyal to nobody. and never come to be loyal. Remember say una walk and look loyal, you know. A loyalty and them something. Remember say una walk a big friend, views, likes and following. Look for me, I sit down for my deep freeze. I sit down for my deep freeze, my love. I want something for drink, all me have to do I get up. Tell Rosalee to get up and repeat herself a bottle of water. Your friend little uncle them a give you. All the friend a walk a class, she attack say she a scammer. Come here, Rosalee. I don't know how me a defend she, so. I don't know how me a defend she, so I must choose she. I chose some good bullet when I like. Yeah. Come here, you forgot to say me stripper scammer and you cling close to her. When you talk about she a scammer, them do girl, and man done pan them and them read them man. Rosalee, you forgot to say a boy used to draw with you for free. Eh? Rosalee, come back and talk now, because she don't understand nothing what she a cuss you say. Come back and talk, Rosalee. When you talk about man done pan them, man ever start pan you yet, Rosalee? Oh, you're a virgin to take against your will. Your virginity take against the will. Remember in a garbage pan them grind you. You're maiden pop in a bush. Now ask you, your maiden pop in a garbage pan, Rosalee. Remember that you never fit bed. Make me talk how you conceive Shantae them now. I never bed. I never sheet. I never mattress. Make me talk how you conceive your picnic them. So when you walk a class girl, a better old girl Yakos, a Yakos a better prostitute. Yeah. Always remember say you not even did or a top class. Rosalee, remember when your ear used to just grow and drop, grow and drop, grow and drop. You couldn't afford cream. Remember everybody did things say you had a gospel, you did natural. Rosalee, remember your upbringing. Eh? Oh, Rosalee not talk about her upbringing, you know. When you ask she, what fear picnic day, she have a nanny, she have a nana, she have a nana, you shouldn't envy she. Remember, no, we never know, say you have picnic when you just come on it because all of them did outside, all 12 o'clock. I could talk about your kids, them when you're out of many one people because the people dress them from them drop out of your big hole. From the doctor chop the navel string and people address you picking them. Remember you picking them favor many adults, you picking them favor village marble. So I don't know what you talk about. Rosalee, at the community gears go your baby them. Remember down to nipple buckle, down to hand over nipple buckle, you're pushing a Shantae and Barbara mouth, hand me down. Eh, you're not even scar, you don't scar the nipple. Remember, so your daughter them talk like everybody breath in the community. Your daughter and your son. Rosalee, you can't argue with she. She's a nice prostitute. She's a good prostitute. She's a girl where all a show up on her and the girl them should take and the man them should take a show up on her. Make your baby father show up on you, Rosalee. Remember, you alone a big baby father. So I don't know where you sit down and cuss orange shade for. Where you cuss orange shade for? Where you cuss shade with the girl and man, dog, bird and beast? Where you cuss shade with the Noah's Ark vagina? Where you cuss that for? I just want to ask you, because since when I get a girl, all of them something here, and the girl still look brighter than you and your room and your living condition, her complexion or glow, whether under filter or what, her complexion or glow. I could talk about you. She, sex, dog, man, animal, planet, and every single thing. I could talk about your baby father. The funny part about life is we say years with one man when not profit you promoting or send you up. You understand me? Then walk and take till you find your own. Now what do you, Rosalee? You know you're all no good. Move from here so with your pot. You're all big like your back. When you want highlight sodomite, go do something with yourself. It's only a batty boy could have really sex you, Rosalee. It's only a batty boy could have sex you. No man will love pum pum so much could even look at you, Rosalee. It's a turn off to nature. It got to be a batty boy a grind you. Make every boy to you a batty man. Because I know which man can in them sensible mind forget a cock stand off for you. Rosalie, move your stinking self. If I mean like the man where I grind you, I cover you with sheet and search for the hole with my dick. If me a Rosalie man, I breathe out through her mouth. I bag your body and want cut out your mouth. I breathe you through your mouth. I not ask you. Me not ask nobody that. A real general cocky could have never stand up for Rosalie. Not if no boy will forget say him addressing their road and a prison then him just a come. All him family them there that him alone as generation leave. Him would want you. Him would rather back him face Rosalie. Me not ask you. And you know it too, that's why you have to pay for the cocky. You know it. That's why you have to buy the cocky. You are the only girl of man and baby father on the internet and broke. You are the only girl that say you stick that money. I don't mind worthless man. You are the only girl, worthless baby father. You are the only man. Rosalie is a nobody, my baby. You have a right to ask who is Rosalie. She's a nobody. When you're constrained, when you're picking them, she pick the mind of the beside her just the same way Miss Triple own of the beside her. Your sister she self for her own. I know she say Miss Triple own told for her. You so understand? Remember you say me and Tiki are good friend and not you him call. You say Tiki call you. Why you Tiki call out of everybody in the world? Tiki call you. You not have no content today. You not have no gift to get today so it hurt you. You not have no argument. Rosalie, come up and chat yourself. Come up and chat yourself. Do me. Come up and chat yourself. Shebada me Tiki call, you know. You can't fool the internet with me and Tiki. You cannot fool the internet. That's one thing. That my reputation strong on this. You can never fool the internet and say me and Tiki are free. You fooling the internet, Rosalie? Eh? Me tell you say your story them yeah, Tiki your best friend. Why Tiki call me? Then Tiki would have my number for call me. Me don't know how Tiki are my best friend and you go feel for cuss me. Me don't know how Tiki is my best friend, you know. And you and Tiki sit up and live at class me. And then Tiki and my best friend. Rosalie, your argument up. I'm telling people them this every day. You dip and repeat. You dip and repeat, Rosalie. You're on repeat. But me stress you out and you cry. Oh, so your woman then lick out barbar batty all. But you cry. Rosalie, you not cry. I'm wicked, you're wicked. My aunt to you. My aunt to you about she a scammer. When you help Jaden rob the internet, how it go? And more than one time you do it, rob evidence Rosalie that could lead to an arrest. A long time you do it. Remember me strictly ignore her, pick them and take up scamming. So what she do what you don't know about? You talk about she all and man run down she. Who you see a look you from we know you a walk a look man from the internet, Rosalie. We all forgot say you have a baby father, you have a little blinger effect. Remember, only boy you look on the internet. He did one name where TJ from Maya. Remember, he did one name TJ out of Maya all. Remember, Rosalie, you did one eat the boy body out of Maya pum pum. You just don't care. Move from here so with your low self-esteem, self-anger, what your heel back start wash. Eh? Remember, stinking mode June. June over toothbrush crippled from Saga basic school. Remember you and your toothbrush mature same time. Remember that, Rosalie. Why you think your tongue so white? And you want to walk and argue with people like you look good for name on the net. Don't suck your mother. Don't suck your mother, Rosalie, where you eat back mommy. Remember when you start the Bible? Children against parents and parents against children. Mother against that. Remember you in the Bible, Rosalie. Always remember that. But me I wait pan Shanti to get little bigger for take your baby father. She must take her daddy. She have to take her daddy a one room and she know everything where I go on. A one room and she a lost. She a lost because she not area more. So she a lost. You know, so the girl a size up already, Rosalee. Remember she wash your big drawers. Remember, when you live in a live die kitchen. Remember when you live in a live die kitchen, she bust one shot through the door, catch everybody. Remember if them bust one bullet through the door, Rosalee catch everybody. Yeah, me I talk to Rosalee, but she come and get bright with one girl named Shay. Eh? And Rosalee have a baby father over how much years now and still not reach now. You live in front of the gully. Sorry, you live in the gully. If I don't tell Ezekiel my name change. And that do something for me.